Today I'm checking out this barn door kit that was sent to me so I can do this review. I'm going to get it out of the box, get all the parts separated out, get it put together, and then we're going to get it hung up. Let's do it. So I've got all the pieces out of the box, and as you can see here, you do assemble the door. So you have a solid wood door, which I really like that, and really nice metal hardware to put this up. All the pieces you're going to need to assemble it are in the box. I think even the tools from what I could see. So now I got to go take down our existing door, get this door put together, and then get it all hung up. This is it installed. Really, really nice. I really like this barn door. Comes down, I got it just off the bottom of the floor. Again, this is in our little tiny home, and it gives us so much more space than that big door that used to swing into the bathroom. Now I can just swing this thing to the left. There's nothing on that wall to get in the way, and then I can swing it back to the right to close it. The door rolls great. It's a really nice door. I'm so glad we installed it. The wife loves it. I love it. I think you'll love it. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.